Hello everybody and welcome to Black Dog Vintage and Antiques. I am Nikki and I am giving you a preview of what is coming in our $10 and below sale on Jenneads channel Sunday 8/29 at 3 p.m. So let's get to it. I have two, and most of the stuff is going to be a twofer. So two for $10 and under. And this is the first one of those. I have two turkey cutouts that are going to be for sale. Two little green cherub baby candlestick holders. I got a faux wood poodle with the sapphire eyes for those sapphire September babies. A really pretty piece of green art glass. A set of 5 Avon strawberry napkin rings, a Spode raspberry botanical collector plate with a extremely low number, a set of blue and white praying children, two pairs I should say, of men's cufflinks, because I feel like we're always leaving the guys out of the jewelry bling, right? A Lefton dish, 2 embroidered rose doily dresser toppers, a bottle opener, totally matches the salt and pep shakers, although this one I think was hand painted. It is stainless steel. A set of 10, I'm missing 2 forks in this, little forks, stainless steel, made in Japan, with the white and silver handles. An adorable little made in Japan flowered deer with gold ears inside. 2 brooches, and one of them is a Monet. A Scotch tape tin holder. A set of 2 Claire's Bears Halloween 1999. And they are little trinket boxes. We got Frankenstein and the Wizard. A set of 2 books, Sears and Roebuck's fall catalogs, 1909 and 1900, both going up for sale together. A Fire King white with the gold trim in beautiful condition, sugar and creamer set. And for the books, we have Poems of Childhood by Eugene Field. This is the 1973 edition. And Beggar Homes and Gardens Junior Cookbook, with some fantastic recipes in there. This is the 1963 edition. So once again, this will be up for sale at our $10 and below sale. So we hope that you can show up, show your love and support, and get some really great deals for the upcoming fall season. So once again, it is at 3 p.m. Sunday, August 29th on Jenneads channels. The link will be below. And don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe this preview. And thank you very much. And as always, stay swanky and stay classy.